Hey y'all, it's your boy Darker Hunters Duh, and today we're coming at you with a quick, simple, and easy set for us to do here today. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a bad yaddy and share, because sharing is caring. And that's the only type of caring we like in this household, honey. If anything, let's go ahead and get into this set, okay? Let's go! Hey y'all, it's your boy Ricky. So today we're doing kind of like a French tip using glitter. So it's going to give you kind of like a French tip slash ombre effect. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to be using the Madame Glam. This is one of their Peacock Gel Polish. This is a soak off in the color Cosmic Sparkle. And we're basically going to apply it like we're doing a French tip. I'm going to be doing a cat eye because that's the shape that I always go for. While I'm doing that, I'm going to be doing two coats, and then I'm going to go in with a glossy top coat just to finish it off. But one thing, even though my channel is about nails and makeup, when it comes to nails, especially nail extensions, you do want to make sure that you are taking in an adequate break from extensions to let your natural nails breathe. Because people don't know, or what they fail to realize before it's too late, is that when it comes to these nail extensions, they can be quite aggressive on the nails. So I think it's very important that you take like time off from, just them all together. Like if you're going to wear nails, maybe take like 2 weeks off, a whole 2 weeks off from wearing, or like maybe a couple of months, just so your nails can build their immunity back up. Cure that for 60 seconds. Build that immunity back up and just keep a overall healthy nail so that your nails aren't becoming too thin and brittle. Alright y'all, so I'm glad that I was able to give y'all this quick little tip, because this is going to be a very quick video. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and add another layer to finish it off, top it off with a top coat, and then we're going to get into the final reveal, y'all, okay? Thank y'all for stopping in for this quick little video. Alright y'all, the time has come for y'all to sashay away. This was a really quick set, and I'm glad you guys stopped by to watch me do it. I wanted to do something like really simple, like so simple that it's low effort, low vibrations. If anything, I hope you guys enjoy the content. I hope it's giving what it needs to give on the day it was given, because I always try to give you something that you can feel. You did, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a baddie yaddy and share, because sharing is caring, and that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You did. Yeah, we back to this thing wobbling again because I changed my office around, y'all. So until I fix that, we're going to be dealing with that for a while. So sorry in advance. Other than that, I don't want to hold y'all up because I know y'all got a weekend to start. So until next time, peace.